How to scan Snapchat code. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can scan Snapchat code. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to show you how to find your Snapchat code if you don't know. So open your Snapchat app. In the top left corner, tap on your profile. Then here tap on your profile again. And this is your Snapchat code. If you want to send someone, here tap on share Snapchat code. Then you will copy the link, share on WhatsApp, Instagram, messages, Twitter, Facebook. And if you tap on more, you can share via more apps. Now to scan someone's Snapchat code, first you have to make sure that you have their Snapchat code in your phone's gallery. If you have their Snapchat code, then in the top tap on add. Then here in the find friends search bar, tap here. Then if you have their code in your gallery like this, tap on it and that person will be added. So this is how you can scan code on your Snapchat. Thanks for watching.